One of the biggest changes, I think, that's coming as a result of this is not just that the next generation love mobile devices. Think about what it's like to grow up in the world of today. I mean, if you're a child today, it's like living in an age of miracles, because no experience that you have growing up is the same as anybody else. So whether you're listening to music on Spotify, watching television on YouTube or Netflix, or shopping on Amazon, the experience you have as an individual is completely designed and personalized for you based on your data. And the only reason we've been able to do this really at scale in the last few years is that we've figured out that there's no point programming computers anymore. The smartest way of doing it is to let the computers learn for themselves. So machine learning is really driving a powerful new trend that's transforming almost every experience that we have today as consumers. The question you have to think about is, what if you took machine learning and used it to start to personalize events and meetings? And I think it's important to think about this, because I think the biggest influence on the future of business is not going to be any set of abstract trends. It's going to be these tangible algorithmic experiences that you can watch your own children having on a daily basis. And there are three sets of experiences and trends that I think you should pay attention to. The first is a new expectation, I believe, that the next generation will have, that you will have the ability to predict their needs before they even have to articulate them. Are any of you here Star Wars fans? No, don't put up your hands, embarrassing. It's just more rhetorical. Okay, anyway, you'll be very happy to know they're building a Star Wars themed hotel. Just what Orlando needed, right? And the fun thing about this hotel is you can see all the windows look into space. So they're video screens. They can put it in the ugliest car park in Orlando. No one's going to care. And when you check in, you're actually greeted by the host, who then gives you a new name and a new identity and a whole Star Wars backstory. And from this point on, everyone in the park is going to call you by your new name. Isn't that great? Yeah, I know. Those of you who aren't Star Wars fans, this is the definition of living hell. But the reason why they can do that is that they're building on something that you would know if you've been to Orlando Disney, which is those wristbands. And those wristbands essentially allow them to create a highly personalized, data-driven experience for everyone individually in that park. Now, I'm bringing that up because what is this if not a preview for every future meeting, conference, or retail environment that we design in the future? The ability to transform physical spaces essentially into digital constructs. What's the future of shopping? Well, we're going to find out now that Amazon bought Whole Foods. And what does Amazon do with stores? Well, the first thing they do is rip out the cashiers. Have you seen these prototype stores that Amazon are designing? First in Seattle and now in New York. It's like a kleptomaniac's dream. Anything you want, you can take it off the shelf. You put it in your pocket. Put it in your handbag. Amazon doesn't care. They've used computer vision to identify the product you've taken from inventory. They know who you are. They just automatically bill you. Even if you're Winona Ryder, they don't care. You can come and hang out in the store.